Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for Steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana High Court Triple S and Steno Typist exam. Ready? Start. It is noticeable that the court has stated about the role of the lawyer and the role of the Bar Association in the backdrop of professional ethics and norms of the Constitution, full stop. It has been categorically held therein that the professional ethics require that a lawyer cannot refuse a brief comma provided a client is willing to pay his fee and the lawyer is not otherwise engaged and therefore no bar association can pass a resolution to the effect that none of its members will appear for a particular accused, whether on the ground that he is a policeman or on the ground that he is a suspected terrorist. Full stop. We are disposed to think that the aforesaid case was cited only to highlight the role of the bar and the ethicality of the lawyers, full stop. It does not flow from the said pronouncement that it is obligatory on the part of the appellate court in all circumstances to engage amicus curiae in a criminal appeal to argue on behalf of the accused, failing which the judgment rendered by the High Court would be absolutely unsustainable. Full stop. Stanza. At this juncture, it is apt to survey the earlier decisions of this court in the field. Full stop. A two-judge bench of this court, while dealing with a criminal appeal which had arisen from the order of the High Court, whereby the High Court, on perusal of the judgment under appeal, had dismissed the criminal appeal challenging the conviction. Full stop. The court referred to section 423 of the old code and came to hold that the criminal appeal could not be dismissed for default of appearance of the appellants or their counsel. Full stop. The court has either to adjourn the hearing of the appeal or it should consider the appeal on merits and pass final orders. Full stop. It is further observed that the consideration of the appeal on merits at the stage of final hearing and to arrive at a decision on merits and pass final orders will not be possible unless the reasoning and findings recorded in the judgment under appeal are tested in the light of the record of the case. Full stop. Stanza. The court referred to the earlier section 421 of the code which dealt with dismissal of an appeal summarily and was different from an appeal that had been admitted and required to be dealt with under section 423 of the code. Full stop. Stanza. If the accused is in jail and cannot on his own come to court, it would be advisable to adjourn the case and fix another date to facilitate the appearance of the appellant hyphen accused if his lawyer is not present, and if the lawyer is absent and the court deems it appropriate to appoint a lawyer at the state expense to assist it. No- Nothing in law would preclude the court from doing so, full stop, stanza, regard being had to the principles pertaining to binding precedent, comma, there is no trace of doubt that the principle laid down in Mohad Sukur Ali by the learned judges, full stop and over. So ये हमारी 100 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा and must subscribe our channel for more matters like this for your steno practice. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.